Hi. Welcome to Portal 7. Sometimes we face issues in playing video. That video file may become corrupted due to power loss, bad storage, malware, improper ejection, failed transfers, incompatible formats, or software crashes during editing or saving. For example, here I have some video clips that are not playing. These are not even showing proper media information. This file is playing half only, then stuck. Suppose these files are too important for us that we can't afford to lose. In this situation we need a video file repair tool. So today in this video we will explore 4DDIG video repair that can repair unplayable, corrupted, choppy, jerky, grainy, distorted, or fuzzy videos. It can also enhance video quality up to 8K resolution with AI technology. Except that it can restore and colorize black and white videos and photos with AI technology. It works with a wide range of storage media including SD cards, USB flash drives, and HDDs. 4DDIG video repair supports the repair of videos from leading camera brands such as Canon, Nikon, Sony, GoPro, DJI drones, and works seamlessly with various storage mediums including hard drives, SD cards, pen drives, USB devices, PCs, and laptops. You can repair corrupted videos in 3 simple steps. Add corrupt video file, start repairing and preview, then save. Click on free download. Go with the basic installation. Click Finish. Here you can see its dashboard. It has mainly 2 interfaces. One is corrupted file repair. Second is AI enhancer. Let's try corrupted file repair. Click on video repair. Here I will drag and drop first video that we can't play. Now click on repair. Now click on preview. You can see 2 different variants here. Play and check. Both files playing normally. Click on Save. Set destination folder. Click Open folder. And now you can see it's playing normal. Media information also showing properly. Let's try this corrupted MOV video. Click on Repair. Click on Preview. Save it and open. Here you can see it's playing normal now. Now let's try this video which has incomplete playback issue. Click on Repair. It has 3 different repaired output. Choose best one and save. Third one is perfect with full playback. Now click on Home. It can also repair corrupt photos in various formats. In basic files it can repair PDF, Word, Excel, PPT, PSD files, and many more. Audio repair can be used to fix corrupted audio files. It can be very useful to denoise audio. Now let's check its AI features. Click on AI Enhancer. Click on Video Enhancer. Add a low-quality video. Here you can check this video has 640 by 360 pixel resolution. Choose one of 3 AI model to enhance video. General model is for all type video, face model is for person's face improvement, and anime model is to enhance anime videos. Here I will choose general video. Resolution I will set 2x. I will prioritize quality over speed. Now click on Enhance. You can preview video up to 10 seconds only. To watch full video, you have to save. Click on Save, choose Destination folder. Now open Destination folder and play video. First I will play output video. Now I will play input video. As you can see, video upscaled with better quality. Now click on Home. Click on Photo Enhancer. Add a low quality image. As you can see, image is 640 x 640 pixel resolution. Here also you have 3 AI models. General model is for normal photos, face model is to enhance face images, and denoise model to fix noise in images. I will choose resolution 2x. AI Enhance option Sharpen. And click on Enhance. Now you can compare input and output photos in dual window or split window. Click on Save. You can see output photo is upscaled to 1280 pixel with much sharpness and details. Now click on Home. Click on Video Colorizer. Add a black and white video. Click on Colorize. Click on Save. Now you can see video is colorized beautifully. Now click on Home. Now click on Photo Colorizer. Add a black and white photo. Click on Colorize. And now you can compare original and output photo. Photo is colorized beautifully. Click on Save. Now you can zoom in and check details. Click on Home. So this way you can repair your damaged video and various type files. For DDIG file repair has 20% off at this summer sale. Click on the link in the video description or pinned comment to avail this offer. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.